We want to welcome everyone to Hard Money Talks at noon. Today, we're walking through a real Intrust funded project at 28624 8th Place South in Federal Way. We do want to give you that address so that you can look it up. You can probably look up photos of when it sold previously and for how much. And then, you can probably see when it just resold after our amazing flipper flipped it. This is not a hypothetical example. We will show you the original acquisition, the loan structure, the 4 construction draws, the renovation, the resale timeline, and the final outcome. The borrower is a repeat Intrust borrower who needed to close quickly. We funded the deal in 3 days. The project stayed on budget, and the home sold roughly 6 months later for $1.23 million. That's pretty amazing. Give me 1 second. There we go. We will start with the original opportunity in the property before renovation. So this is a real project from acquisition through payoff. Then we'll look at how Intrust structured and funded the loan in 3 days, followed by the construction scope and the 4 draw requests. Finally, we will walk through the resale and payroll and pull out the most useful lessons for investors evaluating their own projects. So as you can see, we'll look at the real original opportunity, why speed mattered, and how a repeat borrower relationship helped. Once you build a good relationship with us, and once we build a good relationship with our borrowers, things can move pretty quick. We'll look at the $150,000 renovation. We'll look at their exit, and then some of the investor lessons. Your quick takeaway for this: fast capital only creates value when it is paired with a realistic plan, disciplined execution, and a clear exit. Here was the deal at a glance. You can see the before and after there. Here are the core numbers. Our borrower purchased the property for $700,000, and Intrust provided a $693,129 construction loan with a 12-month term. Our investor, the goal was to get out of the property in less than 12 months. They understand they can save money by actually doing a 12-month term versus a 6-month or a 9-month term, and then actually having to go through some extensions. The renovation budget was $150,000. The original projected after repair value was $1.02 million, but the property ultimately sold for $1.23 million. The finished listing marketed the home as 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 3,260 square feet on a roughly 9,900 square foot lot. The address is shown so attendees can independently review the public sale history and photos. And you can see the before and after photos there. Turned out pretty amazing, I think. The opportunity depended on speed. The first major lesson from this project is that speed can be the difference between winning and losing an opportunity. Our borrower had an established relationship with Intrust and had already completed more than 6 loans with us. That history gave us confidence in his ability to execute, communicate, and exit. The property was funded in 3 days. Our borrower borrowed as an individual rather than through an LLC or corporation, and all decisions and servicing stayed with the local Intrust team in Bellevue. We are local. That's what helps us. We understand the local market, and we can act fast. 3 days from file to funded. Our fast closing gave our borrower the ability to secure the property and start the value add plan immediately. Speed is key when you are a fix and flip investor. The loan became active on September 26, 2025. Construction moved through 4 draws, with the final draw on February 10th. The property was listed 2 days later on February 12th. Went pending on February 17 and sold on March 3rd. Intrust was paid off on March 4th. Although the loan term was 12 months, our borrower completed the project in about 6 months. Because Intrust has no prepayment penalty, paying off early directly reduced the interest he would otherwise have paid. So that's where kind of a little bit of a value add can come into play. Instead of a 6-month loan and then maybe needing an extension, extensions do cost money. This person, again, because they were a repeat borrower and have used us multiple times, understood that it was better for them to choose a 12-month term. This was not just a paint and flooring project. The pre-renovation report showed 1,760 finished square feet, a 900 square foot basement, and roughly 760 square feet of unfinished basement area. The finished listing marketed 3,260 square feet, 3 full bedrooms, and a completed daylight basement. The project also reorganized the interior around the property's views and open living areas. Wait till you see some of these. They're pretty amazing. The key value add was turning space that was dated or unfinished into finished, functional square footage buyers could immediately understand and use. The $150,000 renovation plan. The scope was broad. It included interior demolition, layout changes, drywall and insulation, new plumbing and electrical work, and significant updates to the kitchen and bathrooms. It also included windows, sliders, a deck and railings, exterior paint, a garage door, fencing, and landscaping. The important point is that our borrower had a detailed scope and kept the project at approximately the original $150,000 budget. The discipline protected the deal as it moved toward resale. It's really important to have, a good scope of work, a good budget, stick to your plan. 4 draws kept the project moving. So the $150,000 original rehab budget, can be broken down by however, you as the investor sees fit. Our borrower completed 4 draws, totaling the $150,000 rehab budget. The first was $35,000. You can see demo and rough construction. The next was $25,000, drywall and layout progress. The next was $30,000, tile and finish installation. The final $60,000, market ready completion. Intrust draw process is built around progress photos rather than formal third-party inspections. That saves time. That saves you as the investor money. Borrowers typically send about 15 clear photos with notes showing the work completed. Once we receive that, you receive your next draw. No formal inspections. First draw at closing. A lot of lenders don't offer that first draw at closing. Local draw support. You can talk to our underwriter, Sean. He's amazing. He's one of the smartest people I know when it comes down to fix and flip investing. He will help you if you decide to even make changes. He'll talk you through those changes and rearrange some of your budget. The first draw can be available at closing when the project needs immediate startup funds. Because our servicing and draw review remain in-house, the borrower can reach a local team if a question or issue comes up. That is the key. Local team, local people, local phone call. Get somebody on the phone. You're not going to talk to your lender, and your lender's not going to have to go to a third-party lender in some other state to tell them about your deal. We understand your deal because we do deals right here in Washington State as well. The draws, open it up and rebuild the plan. The first 2 draws covered the messiest and most important part of the project: demolition, framing, rough plumbing, electrical, and the first major drywall and layout progress. At this stage, progress photos are especially valuable because they show open walls, exposed systems, and the work that will later be covered by finishes. The goal of the draw process is not to slow down the contractor. It is to give the lender a clear record of progress while allowing the borrower to keep crews and materials moving. We want to keep you moving with speed to allow you to complete your project in a timely fashion. Draw 3 in the final draw. By the third draw, the project was moving into tile, bathroom finishes, paint, and other visible details. The final draw supported the kitchen, fixtures, flooring, final punch list items, and the transition to a property that can be photographed, staged, and listed. The final draw was issued on February 10th, and the home was listed on February 12th. That timing shows how closely the financing process and the resale plan were coordinated. It's all about a plan, executing the plan. The transformation, living room and kitchen. And this is pretty amazing. Opened up that wall. Looks beautiful. The biggest visual change happened in the main living room and kitchen areas. The original rooms were segmented and dated. The finished project created a more open layout with large work surfaces, contemporary cabinetry, better lighting, and a cleaner connection to the deck and views. This is a good example of spending the rehab budget where buyers immediately feel the difference. Layout, natural light, kitchen function, and the main entertaining spaces. Love to cook and entertain there, that's for sure. The transformation of the bedrooms, bathrooms, and basement. The bedrooms and bathrooms were updated with consistent finishes, new flooring, lighting, vanities, tile, fixtures, and trim. The basement is especially important. Before renovation, much of the lower level was unfinished or underutilized. After renovation, it became a bright, finished family room and living area with a bathroom, laundry, and a stronger connection to the rest of the home. This additional functional space helps support the higher final square footage presentation and broader buyer appeal. You can see the before and after photos there. Amazing job by our investor. Huge exterior transformation as well. I mean, just look at that view. Are you kidding me? The exterior improvements matter because the resale needed to feel complete, not like a high-end interior hidden behind a dated exterior. The scope included windows, exterior paint, the garage door, deck and railings, sliders, fencing, landscaping, and cleanup. The finished listing emphasized the home's decks, views, indoor-outdoor flow, and Marine Hills location. Those features became part of the marketing story rather than the background details. I'm ready to have a barbecue on that deck right now. The original projected ARV was 1.02 million. After the project was completed, the home was listed for 1.2. It went pending in 5 days and sold for 1.23 million. That was 30,000 above the list price and 210,000, or roughly 20.6% above the original projected ARV. The result was not just a function of the market. It came from purchasing the right opportunity, executing a substantial renovation, presenting the property well, and getting to market quickly. Rough look at the project economics. We do not have our borrower's final tax return or project ledger, so this slide is intentionally labeled as a rough estimate. Using the actual 1.23 million sale price, the corrected $700,000 purchase price, the $150,000 rehab, and the cost assumptions in the original flip calculator, the project appears to have generated approximately $220,000 before income taxes and any unreported costs. The most important comparison is that the final sale exceeded the original ARV by $210,000, while the rehab stayed at approximately original budget. This is the broader lesson from the deal. The lender affected the outcome at several points. The 3-day closing, the ability to start quickly, the photo-based draws, and the early payoff with no penalty. Intrust is local to Bellevue, manages servicing and draws in-house, and never sells the loan to another servicer. That means borrowers know who to call, and the team already understands the file. That is huge for fix and flip investors in the state of Washington. Our borrower also borrowed as an individual. We do not require every borrower to be vested in an LLC or corporation. The structure can match the borrower and the deal. Thank you, and invite any questions. Monthly series topics continue. August 27th, we'll have a fix and flip funding from offer to exit. September 24th, how our draw process works. October 29th, agents plus hard money, how to help investor clients win more deals. We offer complimentary deal analysis invitation. We ask attendees to send the property address, purchase price, scope and budget, timeline, exit strategy, and their contact information. One of our lenders, Kyle or Monroe or Darren, and our amazing underwriter, Sean, will review this for you and set you on the plan for success. Because as you succeed, we succeed. The more you succeed, the more we succeed. We want successful fix and flippers so that we can all continue to be more successful. Thank you so much for attending.